Labor disputes cost businesses billions each year and can permanently damage workplace relationships. Understanding these conflicts is essential for any organization that wants to maintain productivity and positive employee relations. A labor dispute occurs when disagreements arise between parties in an organization, typically between employers and employees. These disputes usually involve disagreements about benefits, pay, working conditions, organizational procedures, or hours worked. While they're common in workplace settings, unresolved labor disputes can escalate to strikes or lockouts, significantly impacting production and profits, sometimes even forcing companies to close. Labor disputes generally fall into two categories. Interest disputes arise from disagreements about pay, bonuses, vacation time, and other benefits. Rights disputes stem from concerns about work standards, fair wages, working conditions, and available opportunities. When labor disputes escalate, workers may take collective action. Strikes occur when workers stop working to protest conditions. Lockouts happen when employers prevent workers from entering the workplace during negotiations. Picketing involves employees demonstrating outside their workplace. Work-to-rule actions see employees doing only the minimum required by contract. Sit-ins occur when workers occupy the workplace but refuse to perform duties. Understanding the causes of labor disputes is crucial for resolution. Economic causes include issues with compensation, bonus expectations, and working conditions. Managerial causes involve job security concerns, non-recognition of unions, differences in leadership styles, and communication problems. Political and legal causes can stem from legal influences, unapproved political changes, and union problems. Psychological causes include differences in motivation, lack of appreciation, problems with authority, and feelings of unfair treatment. One of the most common causes involves disagreements about pay. Both the organization and employees may have different expectations about compensation, leading to conflict. Poor working conditions are another frequent trigger, along with concerns about access to facilities like parking and break rooms, or power struggles between employees in different roles. Legal issues can also spark disputes. These include violations of labor laws such as wage theft or wrongful termination, failure to comply with union regulations, changes in employment classification, and inconsistencies in workplace policies that don't align with labor standards. Prevention is always better than resolution. To avoid labor disputes, organizations should carefully evaluate wages and salaries to ensure they align with market trends and inflation patterns. Providing clean, well-equipped workspaces demonstrates respect for employees. Ensuring all staff members perform their expected duties prevents resentment. Motivating employees with direction and opportunities builds engagement. Keeping unions focused on workplace issues rather than politics helps maintain productive relationships. And encouraging positive attitudes from management toward employees creates a healthy work environment. Proactive risk management strategies can significantly reduce the likelihood of disputes. Maintaining centralized documentation of employee interactions, performance, and disciplinary actions helps defend decisions if challenged. Using HR software or labor management systems can flag issues early. Training management in conflict resolution and employment law compliance is essential. Regular audits and employee satisfaction surveys help identify emerging issues before they escalate. When disputes do occur, several settlement methods are available. Collective bargaining allows employees and management to discuss problems and solutions directly. Grievance handling addresses problems within the organizational structure. Conciliation brings in a third party to facilitate discussion. Mediation is similar, but involves the third party suggesting actual solutions. Adjudication is a final legal remedy. where the government determines the solution. If other settlement methods fail, labor disputes may progress to litigation. This typically happens with discrimination or harassment claims, wrongful termination based on union activity, retaliation for whistleblowing, breach of collective bargaining agreements, or failure to pay legally mandated wages and benefits. Litigation may involve federal agencies like the National Labor Relations Board or lawsuits in state or federal court. While litigation provides a binding resolution, it's often time-consuming and costly. Labor disputes reduce employee motivation and productivity. If prolonged, they can cause significant financial losses and potentially force an organization to close. Identifying and addressing labor disputes immediately is crucial for organizational health and survival. With proper prevention strategies and resolution techniques, most disputes can be managed effectively before they cause lasting damage.